Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. With drop-down menus, you can set multiple items as needed to provide yourself and others with access to your spreadsheet with different choices conveniently. In this video, I will show you how to create a drop-down list in Excel and add multiple items to it. Let's go. To create a drop-down list in Excel, start by defining the options you want to include. For convenience, list these options in a separate sheet within your workbook. Enter each item on a new row to create multiple options. Once you've finished, convert the list into an Excel table by highlighting the data and pressing Ctrl-T. This will ensure that any drop-down list created from this table automatically update when you add or remove items. You can add as many options as needed by simply entering new items below the existing list. Next, assign a unique label to the data range. Select the cells containing the options and enter a label in the name box located in the upper left corner. This label will make it easier to reference the data range when creating the drop-down list. After creating your list of options, go to the sheet where you want to add the drop-down list. Select the cells where the drop-down should appear. Then go to the Data tab and click Data Validation. In the Data Validation dialog box, choose List from the Allow drop-down menu. While in the source field, enter an equals sign followed by the label you assign to the range of cells containing your list options. This will automatically create a drop-down list in the selected cells, allowing users to choose from predefined options. When exporting an Excel spreadsheet to PDF, it's important to note that only the selected fields for each cell are visible, and they are not fillable by default. If you need to create a fillable PDF, I recommend watching a separate tutorial that explains the step-by-step process. You can find the link to this tutorial in the top right corner or in the description box below. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.